Good afternoon and greetings from the workshop, and yes, I've got the bloody flu again. It's not COVID. I don't know how this is happening, but anyway, not dead yet. So, in front of you have the 2005 R1150 RT ex-New South Wales Police, and this video is about probably one of the most common failures that this model and a few others like the R1200, the K26 model get, and that is this thing. And this is the ABS. So what you see in front of you is a block-off plate that's supplied by motorworks.co.uk. Installation is very, very simple. You don't have to cut any existing tubes, so this is all factory tubes. The factory wiring remains in place. You don't need to terminate that. We'll put plastic caps over it, obviously, stop water ingress. The other nice thing is it uses all the existing rubbers, and basically it just bypasses the ABS system. Everything else remains the same. The only difference is you have to remove that bit, which is the actual electronics, from that bit down there. So that's the ABS unit that's failed. This is a very, very, very common problem. It causes a lot of people to sell their bikes very cheaply. It can be fixed very cheaply. You've just got to remember that you're now running a bike that doesn't have linked or ABS braking, but this is quite simple to do. Any home mechanic, if you're okay for doing an brake fluid flush, then you're okay to install this. And again, install at your own risk, but this is a proven kit. The mount points are really tidy. It uses factory everything, so thumbs up to Motorworks for supplying this, and thumbs down to the people at BMW that won't issue a recall for this particular ABS system, which to this day still causes issues. You got to do better, BMW.